In the world of gardening, the quest for natural solutions to enhance plant health and promote flourishing gardens is unending. Amidst the array of botanical wonders, aloe vera stands out as a versatile ally, offering a multitude of benefits for your garden. In this comprehensive guide, we'll unveil the 10 secrets of aloe vera for gardening, exploring its uses and unlocking the potential of this miraculous plant. 1. Aloe vera as a soil conditioner. Dive into the first secret of aloe vera, its prowess as a soil conditioner. Learn how aloe vera gel can be incorporated into the soil to improve its structure, aeration, and water retention. Uncover the key to cultivating soil that provides an optimal environment for root development and nutrient absorption. 2. Natural fertilizer boost with aloe vera juice. Discover the second secret as we explore the use of aloe vera juice as a natural fertilizer. Unlock the nutrients stored in aloe vera and learn how to create a potent, plant-friendly concoction that promotes growth and resilience. Bid farewell to chemical fertilizers and embrace the organic richness of aloe vera. 3. Aloe vera spray for pest control. Combat pests the natural way with our third secret aloe vera spray. Delve into the art of concocting an effective pest repellent using aloe vera gel. Say goodbye to harmful chemicals and welcome a garden protected by the gentle yet potent power of aloe vera. 4. Aloe vera's healing touch for pruned plants. Explore the fourth secret, where aloe vera steps in as a healing agent for pruned plants. Learn how to apply aloe vera gel to cut or damaged areas to expedite healing and prevent infections. Witness the transformative power of aloe vera in nurturing your garden's wounded warriors. 5. Reviving stressed plants with aloe vera elixir. Dive into the fifth secret as we unlock the rejuvenating properties of aloe vera for stressed plants. Create a soothing aloe vera elixir that aids in plant recovery, reduces transplant shock, and ensures your garden remains a haven of vibrancy. 6. Aloe vera's sunburn soothing magic. The sixth secret reveals aloe vera's sunburn soothing magic. Discover how the cooling and moisturizing properties of aloe vera gel can provide relief to sun-stressed plants. Ensure your garden thrives even under the scorching sun with this natural remedy. 7. Aloe vera ice cubes for seed starting. Step into the seventh secret aloe vera ice cubes for seed starting. Uncover a unique method to boost seed germination and seedling growth using aloe vera. Learn how to create aloe-infused ice cubes that release nourishing goodness as they melt, giving your seeds the best possible start. 8. Aloe vera rooting hormone, propagation perfection. Explore the eighth secret aloe vera as a rooting hormone. Delve into the world of plant propagation and learn how aloe vera gel can act as a natural rooting hormone, fostering successful root development for cuttings. Watch your garden expand and thrive through the magic of aloe vera. 9. Aloe vera's role in compost acceleration. Unearth the ninth secret aloe vera's role in compost acceleration. Learn how to harness aloe vera's enzymatic properties to speed up the decomposition process in your compost pile. Transform kitchen and garden waste into nutrient-rich compost with the assistance of this botanical powerhouse. 10. Aloe vera's aesthetic appeal in garden design. Finally, our 10th secret highlights aloe vera's aesthetic appeal in garden design. Explore creative ways to incorporate aloe vera plants into your garden layout. From container gardens to landscape design, aloe vera's striking form adds a touch of elegance while contributing to the overall health of your green space. As you integrate these 10 secrets of aloe vera into your gardening practices, You're embarking on a journey that combines ancient wisdom with modern sustainability. Aloe Vera, with its multifaceted benefits, proves to be more than just a soothing balm for sunburns. It's a true partner in nurturing a garden that thrives and flourishes. Embrace the secrets of Aloe Vera and witness the transformation of your garden into a vibrant, resilient oasis.